Editing Google Docs with Drive API. For clarity, this post relates to the difference between the Google Documents List API and Google Drive API on Google App Engine with Python. With the, now deprecated, Documents List API, I was able to edit Google Documents by exporting as HTML, modifying the HTML and then re-uploading, either as a new document or as a modification to the original. This was useful for things like generating PDF documents from a template. I have been trying to replicate this functionality with the new Drive API, v2, however seem unable to. Have come up with this. The above code uploads an HTML file as a file into Google Drive, rather than rendering the HTML into a Google document. Fair enough, this makes sense. But how do I get it render as a Google Doc, as I was able to do with the Documents List API? One other thing, if I set resumable equals true, it throws the following error on App Engine, _StreamSlice has no len. Couldn't figure out how to get resumable equals true to work? And one last thing, the sample code in the docs uses a Medii memory upload object, however if you look at the source it is now deprecated, in favor of Medii base upload. Should the sample code be updated?
I suspect the issue is that the default for conversion has changed from true to false. You must explicitly set convert equals true on the upload. See this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.